Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Thank you for choosing this video. I'm your hostess Luzdeyvis and this is your DIY channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do this amazing DIYs. And guys, stick around for the whole video for I could show you where to get these amazing products for you could do it at your own house right now, and it's gonna be easy to do. Also, please check my other channel where I share vegan recipes, also really healthy, and also I share videos about how to maintain your beautiful hair. So stick around for that video and let's jump into what you need in order to make this amazing DIYs. Come on. This first DIY, I am going to be using one of these Dollar Tree frames. These Dollar Tree frames can be a little flimsy, can break easily, but if you take care of it, you can definitely manage and it could last longer. Now I'm gonna go and spray paint it with this Walmart spray paint. I'm gonna be using the gray color just to match a little bit with my house decor. And then I'm gonna be using this calendar from Dollar Tree also. It looks nice because it has some nice patterns. This blocks and these little cloth hangers, you could also find it at the Dollar Tree store. Plus these letters, I bought it at Walmart. Okay, so it was like $160 something. And this, I'm gonna be using these greens and probably one of these flowers I'm gonna be putting around. So I'm gonna be coloring this letters with white spray paint. And yeah, and also I'm gonna be spray painting these little clips. Oh man, it's kind of difficult because they move so much. Now I am going to be adding the back of the frame without the crystal, and I am gonna be adding this paper from the calendar. And then I am going to be gluing in place the greens, right? The greens I'm going to be adding in actually in top of the paper because I don't want to ruin the frame. It's up to you guys if you want to ruin your frame. It costs $1, so you could buy more if you want, you know. Just be careful with it. Then I am gonna add a second stem in the bottom, just like you see there. I am going to be reusing these leaves. These leaves actually they're kind of old. I bought it at Walmart a long time ago, so I reuse it and I reuse it. Okay, and so now I'm gonna get these Dollar Tree blocks. They really come in handy. And so I'm gonna glue it between the love letters, right? And because I am going to add the family letter in the middle, just like you see there, and it looks really nice. It looks like a family love, you know. And so now I am going to be adding these clips that I just painted in white, and like you see, it is super simple to create, guys. This home decor piece, you could actually spend $6 in it, maybe a little bit more because the green is different, but you could use any type of greens, right? And it would look adorable. You could also use rope also, but I prefer not to use rope on this piece, maybe on another home decor. But yeah, guys, I definitely love it. I don't know, what do you think? But if you love it, let me see it in the comments down below. And I am going to leave all the information that you need in the description down below. So you see, I hope you definitely love it. I definitely put my pictures in there because I love putting pictures around my house. This second DIY, I grabbed one of these frames. Man, that was the last one. I don't have luck in going to the store and finding the items that I want. I wanted to buy more, but I couldn't. So I only got one and that's it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut a piece of white paper, right? And I'm going to put it on top of the back of the frame. And then I am going to put it back. And what I'm going to do is just, I am going to put a little, some flowers and some greens These greens, I also purchased it a long time ago at Walmart. It was super cheap, so I bought a lot of bundles, right? And so I am going to be gluing this in top of the white paper, just like you see. Some of them they're gonna be glued in the frame, you know. But the purpose is to glue them in top of the paper so I could reuse these little frame, right? Because it looks so nice. It was super cute. If you find this at your local store, get more because these go fast. These go really fast, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to be gluing these greens all around it, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of greens. A little bit of yellow flowers that I purchased at Dollar Tree. These little flowers are so cute, right? Because you could just put it inside, you know, just to decorate. They have it in different colors too. They have it like in pink and also like in purple, blue, some numerous colors, but I really love it. So yeah, I really like it. And so I added like this, just a little bit in between there, you know, between those greens. And then I actually got these stickers, man. Dollar Tree expanded the stickers area. And they're so good. They're so amazing. I love it. I had to buy mostly all of them. And they have it in numerous colors as well, different shapes. So yeah. So I am going to be adding home letters in here, you know, like a home design, with the stickers. And then with an extra white sheet of paper, I added black. But those black stickers, um they're different, okay? They're not like, you don't glue them the same way like you put the gold ones, right? They're super different. You have to use a plastic, right? In order to come up with these letters, right? But you have to be gentle and read the instructions, guys. So then I use a sticker like a heart, and then I use another type of stickers. This looks great, also from Dollar Tree, guys. In another store, this will cost you so much money, probably like $2 or more. But in Dollar Tree, you can find these for $1. Man, this goes fast. This goes fast. So I really recommend you to get this immediately and you will enjoy. So this is my home decor and I hope you like it. Now in my DIY number 3, I also got this wood crowns. They're so cute. I also got these flowers at Dollar Tree. And when I found this wreath at Dollar Tree for $1, I was like, yes, I'm gonna get this because these at Amazon could cost you like from $10 to $14, and in another store it's kind of pricey. But for $1, it comes really handy. And so I bought in different shapes. And what I did is I actually inserted these greens inside of it. I didn't glue it this time because I could use this for another event. You could use it for also for in November hacks like Thanksgivings, right? You can use it for Thanksgivings or even different events. So yeah, don't ruin it, guys. Okay, because this goes fast. This goes fast. Okay, and so then I added the flower just careful, just like these. And then I did the same thing to the smaller one, just like you see there. And then I added this yarn around it just to hold it in place a little bit because I don't want this to fall, you know, and it looks really nice. So I put it all around it just like this, really careful. You could use even natural yarn, but I decided to do white this time. After I finished adding this yarn around both of them, I decided to put like a little hanger just to hang it on the wall or in your door. So yeah, just like this. Now you can use another type of hangers, but I decided to put those. Now DIY number 4, grab these Dollar Tree bases. like you see, it's different sizes. I was so surprised when I see this because at Walmart you could find these for $5 to $8. And then I use this rocks that you could find also at Dollar Tree. Now to get all these amazing colorful rocks, I did have to go to different Dollar Tree. For some reason, Dollar Tree in every one that I go doesn't carry the same one, so each of them they're different, especially in that area that I live. And so then I grabbed all these little flowers that you can find numerous different ones at Dollar Tree. In another store, it could be expensive, it could be a little pricey. These succulent flowers or plants, they comes in different variety sizes, and it also comes with their stem also. So it really is nice. In other store, it will cost you like $3, but in Dollar Tree you could only spend $1 each. So I definitely recommend you to go to Dollar Tree. Now I'm gonna be filling these three bases, right, with all these rocks by using them in different colors and different shapes. So like that, I could just make a really nice arrangement. And what I decided to do is I am going to put this little plastic of one of those succulent plants. I'm going to put it inside for, I don't have to be using, because I don't want to be using all the rocks. So yeah, because I want to use it for another arrangement. And so yeah, that's what I decided. But you don't have to do it that way. I mean, you could just use all the rocks that you prefer, and that way you don't have to do that. Okay. So yeah, so I decided to put those little bases inside because what I'm gonna do is I am going to just to set it in place, right, with their own plant inside, and it's just gonna be more easy because these little bases have foam inside, and so it's gonna be a lot easier for me to just leave the plant in place. Now, some people are going to be using glue, you know, the heavy glue to for this plant to stay in place, but I'm not going to be using glue because once I get bored of these decor, I'm just going to use this for something else. The rocks I'm going to be using for something else, and that's it. So guys, I hope you definitely like this design, and I hope you like it because this is really nice for your patios and for your kitchen area, or for anywhere you want to put it in your house or even your office. So it would look really nice, guys. And for this set of piece, it will cost you like at least $11. So guys, for $11, I think this is a great catch because you could find for $11 only one piece, and for $11 you created three, and you could create more. So DIY number 5, I am going to get these containers that you also can purchase it at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it with the Walmart spray paint in white. And then I'm going to be using these Sharpie to trace over like little lines it could look like it's old. Just I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm just gonna use just a few tint for it could look old. I'm not gonna paint the whole letters. I'm just gonna use just gonna paint it over just a little bit, just like these, for it could look like it's washed out. Very, very nice. If you don't have a Sharpie nearby, you could use your black paint, and that's it. Now I am going to be gluing around it only in the top white yarn like you see there, and it's really easy. It's not difficult. You could use whatever color you want. I prefer white just to blend in with the decoration from my house, since I use a lot of whites and gray, and so yeah, that's the reason why I'm using that color. Now I am gonna be putting another yarn, the color for the natural color one. I'm gonna put only one line on top of the white one, just like this, and then I'm gonna do the same thing in the bottom after, just to finish up the white one. And I'm just gonna put just only one. If you want to put more, that's okay, that's up to you. It's definitely going to look great, awesome. It's gonna be looking great either way. Definitely. And also you could use rope as well. In Dollar Tree they sell really good ropes and you could definitely use them as well. After I finished gluing this part, then I decided to add some hangers to these by using the same yarn. I'm gonna do just a small, like a small hanger, just like this, like you see there. I'm gluing it on the side, and I'm just gonna be doing just I'm gonna be using only a single one. If you want to use more, you could do that, or if you want to use like a rope, that's even better, and it will look amazing. It will look amazing, guys. So I definitely recommend you to use a rope if you want. And I did this on both sides. There you go. There you go. And it looks so amazing. Now I am going to add a little bow on the side on top of the letters just to look really nice, you know, just a small bow just to make it a little bit feminine. You don't have to do this. It's optional. Um, Also, if you want to add like a flower or you want to add a green, you could do that as well. And it's still going to look amazing. There you go. And now I am going to be adding the greens. This green, especially this type of green, I bought it at Walmart for $1 and it brings a lot. It's a nice bundle to fill in all this tray and all this container. So I am not complaining. Although I did have open spaces like all the way at the end, so I did added another type of green at the end, and then I added some Jeep also that I purchased at Walmart because I couldn't find Jeep at Dollar Tree. I don't know why they haven't sold those, or maybe in the store that I go, I don't see any Jeeps, right? So if you are lucky to find it, then go ahead and use it because it looks really nice when you use Jeep, or if you add any flowers. But I just like to have just greens just like that, and it looks amazing. So yeah, so what I do is I use the bigger stamp in the middle, and then I fill in with the small ones at the end. So like that, it could look like a little ball. Can you believe that this arrangement, it will cost you only like $4 to 5. It depends on what you put in, but $4 to $5, and that's it. And look at this, it's amazing. If you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend for those who like my DIYs. And please provide me a thumbs up for YouTube can share this video with someone else. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and give me a like. Help me share it with your friends and family. And do not forget to visit my other channel and my webpage. And also follow me on my social media. Thank you so much. I hope to see you on my next video.